Hi everyone, it's Leah with the Southern Pines Public Library. We are back for another Tech Tuesday, and today we'll be talking about CreativeBug. And so to talk about it, I feel like you have to see it. So I'm going to navigate to the side here. If you are on our homepage, and the website link's right up there, if you scroll down to our online resources and click on it, it'll open up in a new tab. And then CreativeBug is listed on our most popular resources right here. Alternatively, you can go to C, and then it'll be in alphabetical order right here. And we'll go ahead and click on it. CreativeBug offers online tutorial classes on a whole bunch of different arts and crafts. I'm not particularly good with arts and crafts, but perhaps you are, or perhaps you want to learn more about it and try something new. This is definitely the resource for you. Now, when you first sign up, you'll need to put your first name, your last name, your email, and your password. Excuse me. And then you'll set up your account, and then from then you can log into it from home if you're not on in the library itself. So that's what you do when you first create your account. You shouldn't have to do that but once. At that point, you go to log in now if you ever come up to the screen, and you'll see it'll ask for that information, and if you forgot your password, you can go through the steps of that. This is what it's going to look like once you've logged in, and it will just show, it won't show that logging in anymore. It'll just show see latest classes here. This is a little short tutorial video right here that tells you a little bit more about CreativeBug on the left-hand side. And if you were to scroll down, it tells you, once again, a little bit about it. Unlimited access, projects, just a whole bunch of different classes offered, and that's going to have some recommended classes up here, and you can click on them and go directly to that class. But we're going to go to see latest classes here. And then this is what it's going to look like, the home page. So up here you have your account, and we will talk a little bit more about that. First, we're going to explore the interface a little. So you have your classes, and it has it by genre, if you will. Inspiration. This will be somewhere where you can, if you create something, add images, and you can see these are user-based images that other people have uploaded. And then CBTV, CreativeBug TV, just goes a little bit into detail about how classes are made, features specific, artists, things of that nature. So that's a different way you can explore the resource. And then daily practice is really cool. For example, this first one, Make Art Where You Are, a Daily Practice by Courtney Sorrello. So it has the video, it has the title, and then it'll have the author and then the reviews or ratings. So we're going to click on it. And with the daily practice, you'll see that it breaks it down by days. So this entire video is about, I believe, almost 3 hours, but you're not going to be watching those 3 hours all at the same time. You'll be doing it by day, and it will skip directly to that day that you choose or select. So that's kind of how you can navigate up here, some different things you can do. Going back to the classics, we'll do a basic search. So I am not a creative person, but I do like planners. So we will put in bullet journal. If you don't know what a bullet journal is, you should find out. Take one of our CreativeBug classes. So here are all the listings for anything that had bullet journal as a subject. And then you'll see if you hover over it, it's going to show you once again kind of that basic detail information about the classes. You can filter results here if you're looking for something very specific. Specifically if you're looking for an instructor. And then sort results, most popular, release date, A to Z or Z to A. So some different ways you can sort your results to find exactly what you're looking for. Right here is do-it-yourself year planner. I'm going to click on that and view class. And we've already kind of taken a look at a video because when we were looking at the daily practices, that was showing the video. but I'll do a little bit more in-depth breakdown right here. So this is the class, and then you have some options with your class located right below it. So it's immediately going to be showing you the description, and it's going to have, you know, how advanced it is, and then how many minutes it is. It's going to give you a little information about what the class is and what is being taught. It'll have your what you're learning, and then what you'll get from it. And then if there's any documents associated with it, you'll have the option to download it right here. And then further down, you'll see that there are discussions, so you can be part of the community and talk to a whole bunch of other people who are also taking the course, or to the instructors themselves. And then it will show, you know, it's a great community resource, especially if you're one of those who are looking for a creative outlet. It has just a whole different bunch of ways you can connect to others. So description, chapters. We looked at this with the daily practice, so you don't have to watch it all in one go. You can watch it as you have time. Materials. This is really nice if you're trying to decide, you know, you're going to take a class, but you're not sure what to get. So this has all the materials you'll need. Gallery. So these are images that other people have uploaded, and of course you have the option to upload whatever you've created to kind of show everybody. Discussion we've already looked at. It's located all the way at the bottom. Notes. This is really nice. You can jot down any notes you might have about this class or about your inspiration. Watch list. So let's say you find something, you're not ready to commit to it, but you want to watch it later. You can add it to your watch list, and you can have as many of these as you want. Transcript is very accessible. Once you click on transcript and start the video, it'll actually start filling in and highlighting at what point it's saying the words. So it's you know, showing you exactly what's being said if that is something that you're interested in or you have hearing issues. And that's kind of the overview of what's going on when you actually click on a class. So we looked at a basic search. We've looked at an in-depth look at the class. Now we're going to take a look at the account real quick. So the first thing, it has recently watched. So it's going to show all the classes that you've recently taken a look at. And then I'm still going to stay up here. My watch list. So I put the do-it-yourself year planner on my watch list, so it's right here. I also have another one on Galaxy Slime right here that I was really interested in. My gallery, so these are the images that you can upload. So there's a whole bunch of ways you can interact with this, the same thing on different screens. Community, once again, that community piece, so you're talking to others. And there's a public profile that you can create. So go to view my public profile. You'll see that this is right here, my direct link. And then I can add links. So for example, if you're a blogger, you can add a link to your blog right here. And you have all these ways to go to account. There we go. To account. Then you can see that you have all these ways to fill in your information for your public profile, you know, put in your interests. And then also you'll see down here profile preferences. So you can create this resource to be as hyper-specific or as general as you want it to. And the subscription status right here, billing and subscription info, you should not be filling in information. This is something provided by our library to you. So you shouldn't have to fill out any of that information. So that's kind of CreativeBug. I hope you guys, go back up here. I hope you guys take a look, try out some classes. You know, it is for adults and teens, but there is a section specifically for kids 5 and older. And so if you do have a kid and you're looking for something creative or new to do with them, you should take a look and see what they might like. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.